Hello everyone. In today's videos, we will be discussing the top 5 best drone camera brand available on the market. The list has been curated based on features, prices, quality, durability, and the reputation of the manufacturers. If you are looking for an affordable and reliable best drone camera brand, this video will guide you through some great options. Number 1. L900 PRO Drone 4K Professional. 1 key GPS return to the takeoff point. Low battery return, no signal return. Identify the subject and automatically follow the flight. Within 1 to 3 meters from the aircraft, make a camera gesture. Camera gesture facing the camera. The aircraft flies autonomously according to the preset route, and the player focuses on shooting. Find the center point of circling, and then move the desired circling radius through the joystick. Click the GPS signal icon 3 times continuously to open the map interface, and the map will display the final distance, latitude and longitude position of the aircraft. Single or multiple selections can be selected to share photos, and videos can only be shared individually each time. 4K adjustable camera, optical flow dual camera. 7.4 volts plug-in smart lithium battery. Number 2. Xiaomi V198 GPS drone. The arms are foldable, compact and easy to carry. GPS positioning mode provides more accurate flight. With 5G Wi-Fi function, it can connect to APK system, take photos, videos in real time through the mobile phone camera and transmit images. 5G Wi-Fi FPV distance can reach 3000 meters. 5G Wi-Fi 1080p/5G Wi-Fi 4K HD/5G Wi-Fi 6K HD/5G Wi-Fi 8K HD camera can provide a variety of high-definition images and videos. With altitude hold mode function, it provides stable flight. Orbital motion will make the aircraft fly in circles, providing a cooler shooting angle. Waypoint flight mode, just draw a route for a given path with a helicopter on the screen. Flight time up to 20–30 minutes. Headless mode, no need to adjust the position of. Number 3. MIJIA Xiaomi P11 Pro Drone. Xiaomi P11 Pro Drone 8K HD camera with his capture stunning visuals. With the 8K HD camera featuring is for crystal clear, stable footage. Navigate safely with 4-way obstacle avoidance, ensuring a collision-free flight. Explore vast landscapes with a 5000 m control distance, unlocking extended flying freedom. Effortlessly transport your drone with its foldable design and lightweight build. Stream live footage over 150 m with the drone's robust Wi-Fi image transmission. Capture stunning 8K visuals with dual cameras, ensuring every shot is crisp and clear. Navigate with precision using advanced 5G GPS for reliable, professional-grade flights. Experience smooth, powerful flights with the durable brushless quadrotor motor. Fly with confidence, reaching up to 1000 m without interference or obstruction. Avoid collisions with 720 degrees obstacle avoidance. Number 4. Xiaomi V168 Drone. With foldable arms, compact and easy to carry. GPS positioning mode can provide more accurate flight. With 5G Wi-Fi function, can connect to APK system to take photos, videos and transmit images in real time through mobile phone camera. 5G Wi-Fi FPV distance can reach 3000 m. 5G Wi-Fi 4K HD, 5G Wi-Fi 6K HD, 5G Wi-Fi 8K HD camera can provide various HD images and videos. With altitude hold mode function to provide stable flight. Orbital movement will allow the aircraft to fly in circles, providing cooler camera angles. Waypoint flight mode, simply draw a route on screen with the helicopter as the given path. Flight time of up to 20–25 minutes. No need to adjust the position of the aircraft before flight. One-touch return function. You can easily find your. Number 5. MIJIA Xiaomi M1S Drone 8K. Capture stunning aerial shots with the 8K Triple HD camera, featuring wide-angle and optical flow lenses for versatile perspectives. Navigate with confidence using 360 degrees all-round obstacle avoidance, ensuring safe flight and no collisions. Experience reliable power with a brushless motor, providing longer service life and stronger performance. Enjoy stable flights with 5 GHz anti-interference technology, minimizing signal disruptions. Compact and portable, the foldable drone design makes it easy to transport and avoids aviation control issues. The front lens is equipped with wide-angle 8K HD Wi-Fi, and the bottom optical flow HD lens can switch the camera angle. The servo gimbal design increases stability, and the addition of his electronic image stabilization makes the picture lines clearer. Fixed height function: it has fixed height mode, optical flow positioning and fixed point functions,